So this is how you can add your bank in Wise. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Wise app, and here we are. As you can see, there's this add money button at the top. Simply tap on that, and now you can go on ahead and add a payment method in your add money section. So simply tap on add payment method, and now you can choose if you want to add a debit or a credit card. So for example, I'm just gonna choose debit, and once you tap on continue, it's going to ask you for your debit card information. For example, the numbers, the name, or the expiration date. Now, if I go on ahead and tap on credit card, it's also going to do the same. If I tap on continue, it's going to ask me for the details on my card. Now you can even add another currency to your account by doing so. Tap on that plus button and then tap on balance. And now you can go on ahead and choose a specific account balance or a specific currency and then add money here by doing the same procedure, choosing debit or credit, and then adding your personal information in order to add your specific account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.